Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Oracle CX Sales Cloud for lead to opportunity, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Oracle CX Sales Cloud for lead to opportunity, begin by logging into your Oracle Cloud account. Navigate to the CX Sales application. Once in the dashboard, locate the Setup and Maintenance section. Click on Setup and Maintenance to enter the configuration area. In the search bar, type Sales Cloud to find relevant tasks. Select Sales Cloud from the results. Next, find the Manage Sales Lead task. Click on Manage Sales Lead to access the lead settings. Enable lead management by toggling the necessary options in the configuration menu. Take note of the lead scoring models available and select the one that aligns with your business objectives. Proceed to configure the lead to opportunity conversion settings. Locate the Manage Opportunity task within the same setup area. Select Manage Opportunity to tailor the opportunity settings. Review the fields required for converting leads into opportunities. Adjust the necessary fields to ensure they meet your business requirements. Once your settings are aligned, save the changes you made. Next, navigate back to the CX Sales dashboard. Click on the Sales tab to view the leads currently in your system. Select a lead that you wish to convert to an opportunity. Check the details to ensure all information is complete and correct. After confirming, click the option to convert the lead into an opportunity. Follow the prompts to finalize the conversion process. Review the new opportunity in the system to confirm everything has transitioned smoothly. Ensure that notifications are set up for relevant stakeholders about the new opportunity. Return to the dashboard to monitor the status of your leads and opportunities. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Oracle CX Sales Cloud for lead to opportunity management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.